Hey everyone, my name is Rob with DEWALT Anchors and Fasteners. Today we're going to walk through how to install the DEWALT Screw-Bolt Plus concrete screw anchors. Please note that this is not a substitute for the product instruction manual. All users of the products in this video need to read the instruction manuals prior to any use of products and installation of DEWALT anchoring and fastening systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the DEWALT instruction manual as well as your company's safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE depending on the tools, anchors, and the applications you'll be doing. When installing DEWALT anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and use the proper dust extraction equipment when needed. First, use the proper drill bit size for the anchor being installed. With Screw-Bolt Plus anchors, the diameter of the bit is going to be the same as the anchor diameter. Drill a hole into the base material to the required depth needed. The tolerances of the drill bit being used should meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15. Refer to the ordering information guide in the instruction manual for the suggested DEWALT carbide drill bits. Next, remove the dust and debris from the hole. This can be done using a dust extractor along with a hollow bit during drilling. Other examples is to use suction or forced air to extract loose particles created by drilling. Select a torque wrench or a powered impact wrench. Be sure not to exceed the maximum torque, respectively, for the selected diameter of the anchor being used and the embedment depth. Attach the appropriately sized hex socket or driver accessory onto the impact wrench. Drive the anchor into the hole until the head of the anchor comes in contact with the fixture. The anchor must be snug after installation. Be sure not to spin the socket off of the anchor to disengage. That's it. You're all set to install DEWALT Screw-Bolt Plus concrete anchors.